Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you got a Namecheap domain, I'll show you how to connect it to Squarespace. This is a simple way to use an existing domain with your Squarespace site. So let's dive in. The first step is to go to the domain sections in Squarespace. To do so, you have to log into your Squarespace account. And to do that, just go and type in Squarespace in the search engine or in your browser and enter your account using your account credentials. Now after entering your account, select from the drop down menu account domains here and click use a domain I own to start a connection process. Now here I haven't already bought any domains, but if you already bought a domain, you'll be uh, you'll have the option to use a domain you own. Now the second step is to enter your Namecheap domain. Type in your Namecheap domain and select the option to connect it manually. Squarespace will display a set of DNS records. You'll need to enter a Namecheap. You enter on a Namecheap. Now for the third step is to update the DNS setting on Namecheap. Log into your Namecheap account. You can go search Namecheap here. Here, it's a website for buying domains for cheap price. You can create an account here and access it. After you create an account, go to the domain list and find your domain and click on manage. And in the DNS settings, add the Squarespace record, CNAME and a record and save your changes. And that's it. Within a few hours, your Namecheap domain will be connected to Squarespace. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.